I'll tell you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by drawing one, and then I might squeeze a couple more in, but I really wanna just take the opportunity to show you how to do one really well, okay? So the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna decide what kind of hat do I want this guy to have on? Do I want him to just have hair? You could do crazy hair if you want. There's a number of different things you can do. And so I think for this guy, I'm just gonna do some crazy hair. So I'm gonna take this guy's hair and I'm gonna make it sticking up real high, okay? Now you can do a hat, you can do hair. If you want it to be a girl, you can do girl's hair. Okay, you wanna do a hat?
Yeah.
You can go straight across for a baseball hat, or do you want like a bowler hat, which is kind of like your hat that you have over there, Maddie? What kind of hat do you want?
I want like a snowman. Like the one that I have.
Okay, cool. So do you want me to help you with it, or just help you know what to do?
No.
Okay, so you're gonna do a curved line, and I'm not gonna draw it on mine, but you're gonna do a curved line, like right across the forehead.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want me to show you what I mean for her? There you go, bud. Just keep coloring that in. That's okay. Don't worry about that, because we can just, don't worry about that. Just color this part in, okay?
But it's gonna show.
Man, but we can always fix it, okay? Just take your time.
How can you take it out?
I can show you that we're not gonna be able to take it out, but we can make a design. Your snowman hat could have little dots going across. Be super cool. Do you want to do that?
Yeah. Can I do that?
Yeah, you guys can do whatever you want. But you see here, Landon? You can always make it cool, all right? And that just goes, anyone watching, you can always take a little mistake, a little flaw, and fix it up, okay? My guy needs ears. Now, if you guys are kind of thinking that these look like snowmen don't typically have ears, you don't have to make ears, okay? I want to make my guy have some ears, okay?
Okay.
So he's gonna have his ear sticking out the bottom of his hair on both sides. And then I'm just gonna put a little C-shaped thing in there. All right, now for the eyes, I'm gonna do big wide eyes. I like doing big eyes on my characters.
Do that.
Cool, that's a cool eye too. I'm gonna do mine super large, okay? You might say, whoa, yeah, those are like way too big, but I think big eyes are cool. What do you want for eyes, bud?
And then you can draw 2 circles on them and then cut.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw some circles in there.
I'm gonna do how YouTube people do it.
It's okay. You can just look. It's okay, bud.
How can you fix mistakes like that?
I can fix it. We can fix it together. Okay. Draw another eye just like that, same size.
But it's gonna look weird.
It's not gonna look weird. You want me to help you? Okay. Whoopsies. Stay in your seat, bud. And he just fell out of his chair. Okay, so that would be like the center of his eyes, okay? No, you're just gonna have really big eyes, that's all. Okay?
Like Dad.
Yeah, you're gonna have really big
His
eyes.
looks like he's dizzy.
So your guy's gonna be looking up a little bit, because I think that's the only way we can kind of do this. Okay, he's gonna be looking up. Look at that guy. That's so super cool guy. I like that. I like those eyes a lot. He's just looking up. Maybe there's a plane in the sky. Okay? Just hang in there till the end of the drawing and you'll find out if you really do like it. And if you don't like it, is it okay to not like your artwork?
Yeah.
Is it okay to try again? Yeah, it's always okay. So, here we go with, I don't know if I'm gonna have a nose or not. I might do a really simple small nose. I think that's what this guy needs. Yeah. You guys want to do noses or no noses?
No nose.
No nose? No nose for you? Okay. You don't have to have noses. We could do for mouths, we could do anything. Think of it like Halloween doing the jack-o'-lanterns. You can do like teeth in there. You can do like a circle mouth. You can do a wide open mouth. You can do a closed mouth. I think I'm going to do a circle mouth. I think I'm just gonna have this dad is like, whoa, something cool just happened. So what kind of mouth do you want, Landon?
Should I draw teeth?
That part's up to you. You can draw teeth if you want.
I feel like I want to draw a tongue and then black one. This is the like I want to do.
You feel like you want to do a tongue?
Yeah.
Like, so like a little, do you want me to help you with that tongue?
Yeah, but I don't want to draw it black.
No, but the tongue would be white, right? And we can color it in later.
Yeah.
But, so, do you mind if I make a line to represent the tongue? And then you can color the top part of it black? So the tongue would look like that. Is that cool or what?
I want to draw the back, around the tongue is black.
Yeah. So up here, you would just color it in. And then that'll look more like a tongue when we color it red. But just color the top part. What I'm going to do now is, this is the dad. So this dad is like a working guy. So he's gonna be wearing a tie. Can you believe that? He's gonna have a nice little dress shirt on.
I know what I know what my dad's gonna.
If you do arms, that's like on one of the arms. Can you have like a tool in his hand, like a something?
You can have anything you want in his
wood?
hand.
No, like
Yeah.
a wood.
Landon, if you want to draw a shirt and tie, you're gonna do 2 little triangles like this. Do you need help with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do that one.
Finish that one. And then the tie part, so now Landon, we're going to connect it with a little circle. Connect it with those two with a little circle. Awesome, Mads, that's really good. It's all polka dotted. That's awesome.
Now I'm gonna do it.
Now,
Things for dinner.
now Landon, don't worry about dinner right yet. We're going to have hamburgers, but don't worry about that yet. Now,
Can I have ketchup?
yes, about halfway down a little further than halfway down.
Now I did a bow straight.
Nice, I like that. So a little bit further than halfway down. I'm gonna do mine to here. Why don't you do yours to like right there? You want me to put a dot? You're gonna draw the tie coming down, and then it's gonna meet in the middle. Okay. Yeah, I can help you with that. Mine just happens to be a thick tie. Not all ties are thick. Like Maddie's is a skinny one, which is super cool.
Can I
Do you want a skinny one or a thick one?
Skinny like that is.
Okay. Okay, so now you have a tie that's skinny. This guy's a little bit thicker. I'm gonna do stripes on my tie. His dad looks like a stripe kind of guy.
Me too.
Okay, cool.
And
Now,
we're gonna do side stripes
yeah, side stripes are good. Maddie's polka dots are super cool.
and stripes.
Now every shirt has a pocket. At least every dad shirt has a pocket, right?
Wow.
So,
Wait, do you have a pocket natural?
no, dress shirts is what I mean. So you're gonna just draw a nice little square over here, or kind of like a rectangle actually.
I did
Okay.
it wrong.
No, you did yours perfectly fine, because there's lots of pockets that look like that. So that's perfect. And I like how you did a line across, because that looks like an official pocket. Do you want to do that, bud?
I
You
want
want
to
some
do it.
help?
I want to draw a pocket on the side like he has pants.
Well, we're going to get to the pants in a minute, but let's put a shirt pocket on him right there.
The same as you.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
He's,
And-
he's probably like, I got dressed for my.
My guy's going to I'm going to make it a little bit curved. Okay?
Me too.
And that way I can put a belt on him. Okay?
I want to
Oh, yeah.
do the same thing too.
So I'm going to do 2 lines like that. You want some help? Okay.
I want to do the same kind.
Okay, but you might want to do this like kind of like how Maddie had it. These are the belt loops that are in his pants. So you might want to do that. Okay.
but how did you make it that
Oh,
skinny?
cool belt, Maddie. How did I make what skinny? Do you need some help with that, bud? That's exactly what I did, what you're doing right there. Now, what's cool about these guys is the way that I'm going to finish my guys is I'm going to do the arms and the legs stick figure. And that's what's kind of fun about it is you can add all this detail and then suddenly you just have these stick figure arms and legs. What I might do though is I might put sneakers or dress shoes on the stick figure legs because I think that would be cool. But let's do the arms first. Legs now. I'm gonna do the legs and I'm gonna put little sneakers on them. He's kind of a sporty dad, so he's gonna not be wearing dress shoes. He's gonna be wearing sneakers.
Me too. triangle.
I'm gonna make my sneakers super simple. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna make them like upside down U's.
Oh.
Just like
Now
we've
I
done.
know those.
Just like we've done before. Maddie, those are super cool. You don't have to do your sneakers like me. Remember? Those are actually cooler than my sneakers. I love those sneakers. Upside down U's for me. And I'm probably going to make another set on my next person similar to Maddie. Because I like the way she did it. Those are super cool. And then what I'm going to do kind of like shoelaces is I'm going to make 2 lines on either side of his leg.
Okay.
I really love those. Those are awesome. So make the line straight down, man, like that. And then do it on that one too. And then inside of that, Maddie's beefing up her legs a little bit. That's awesome. And then inside of that, Landon, you're gonna do an X. Those are the shoelaces.
But I can't do an X in this one.
That's okay. So watch this. We're gonna do a couple X's because your shoes are taller than mine. And then on that one, they're just the shadow doesn't allow you to see, so that's fine.
So
Those are awesome.
it's just a shadow on them,
Yeah, those are awesome.
so you can't see it.
Cool. So now we have. Do we want to add any more details? I think we should. I'm gonna maybe add a few hair details. Okay.
I think I might do some designs on the.
I think I might draw something next to his tie on his shirt.
I just did a little hair detail, and I think that guy is pretty well done. So I think what we're gonna do
Just move on to our next.
is move on to our next people,
I want to do a detail on his shirt.
and we can add details, and we will show anyone who's watching. We'll show you guys what that all looks like when we're done. But hopefully we gave you a pretty good idea of how to draw a figure 8 person, and have some fun with it. Be creative. Do all sorts of different things. You can see Maddie and Landon are doing different things than I am. And we're going to draw more people in our scene, and we'll let you see what that looks like at the end.
Oh no.
You can see that we got our drawings done. Here's what they look like all together. Aren't they awesome?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, can we tell about our pictures?
Yeah.
So, Mommy is holding Odin, and Odin doesn't notice that he has a stinky diaper, and we're going on a walk, and Landon's like, "Oh my gosh, that I'm doing a handstand and my shoe fell off."
Landon is trying to take us my dad's hat. His dad's hat, because he lost his hat and he watched it go down here, and he was trying to grab it, and he was also trying to grab it. And Maddie's trying to tell Daddy that Landon's hat is solid, and Daddy kind of gets angry, and then Mommy's I want Mommy to be saying, calm down. And then Odin's up here. He didn't know he has a stinky diaper, and he's sobbing, and he's trying to do a handstand into Mommy, and then he didn't know his shorts fell off.
Madeline is going to recap what I drew, because she's got a great story for it. So go ahead, Maddie.
So Daddy thought that it was a work day. He was like, "Oh my gosh, it's not a work day? Why did I even get dressed like this?" And then Landon is being silly and doing a handstand, and Maddie is trying to get Daddy to get his attention and ask him something. Mommy's throwing Odin up in the air, and Odin has a little smirk on his face, and what the heck is going on?
What a great story. Thank you, honey. All right, so those are our drawings. We had a great time doing it. Those are the figure 8 people that I've been drawing forever. My mom taught me how, and I'm teaching my kids. So it's pretty awesome. This is what our final result is. Once again, we just wanted to show them one last time. And what do you guys want to say?
Subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
Maddie? Smash. You want to smash anything?
Smash the like button.
Smash that like button. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Hopefully doing more videos very soon. If you want to comment about anything you'd like to see, we have a bunch of ideas, but we're always open to new things. We're going to do everything art. A lot of drawing, some arts and crafts occasionally. Anything that craft kids might do, right?
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, and be awesome.
And let's hear a dad joke.
You guys ready for a dad joke?
Yeah.
I was in the car the other day, and I was having such a hard time figuring out my seatbelt. And then it clicked. You didn't like it? You didn't like it? Okay. All right. Okay, well, better luck next time. All right, everyone. Stay awesome. Have fun. Keep drawing.
Bye.
Great job, guys.